Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Yes children, are you fine? Yes, so now let us start our social science class. Okay, so all of you take a social science book. All of you take a social science book and social science class work, homework, pencil, eraser, everything. Take children, take fast. Have you taken children? Yes, so we are starting our revision. Yes, so in the previous class we are starting our revision. Yes or no children? So we have to recall the previous topics and then we will continue to write the revision classwork. Okay children? So in first lesson, in the previous class we learnt about family. Yes or no children? So have you understood that? And also I gave 8 choose the correct answers classwork. Yes, so have you studied everything? Have you studied children? And also I gave the project. Yes, family tree, I gave the project in the previous class. Yes or no children? So have you done everything? Have you done? Okay, when you come to school you have to bring that project. Okay children? Okay, and also have to study. Okay, so now we will recall the remaining in first lesson topics. Okay, so already in the previous class we learned about what is family. Yes, so family is a father, mother, children and other close relatives live together in a same house, that is called family. Okay, so family na kudumbam, amma appa, children and other close relatives ellarum சேர்ந்து ஒரே வீட்ல வாழ்றது தான் family அப்படினு சொல்றோம். Okay children? Next we will recall our today topic, relations. Okay, so there are two relationship is there. Okay, so in our family there are two relationship. Okay, so they are maternal relation and paternal relation. Maternal relation and paternal relation. So maternal relation means people who are related together our mothers. So mother side people who all are related to mother side, so they are called maternal relations. Okay children? So who are your mother side? Okay, mother side relations, all the members we will call maternal relation. Okay children? Next, paternal relation means people who are related to our father side. Okay, our father side relations all are we will call paternal relations. Okay children, have you understood clearly? Already we have learnt about this. Yes or no children? So once we will recall about that. Okay, so maternal relation means people who are related to our mother's side, those people we will call maternal relations. Okay, next, paternal relation means people who are related to your father's side, those people we will call paternal relations. Okay children, have you understood clearly? So for example, how do you call your relations? Okay, for example, mother's mother, amma oda amma. Okay, mother's mother we will call maternal grandmother. Okay, maternal grandmother. Okay, next, father's mother, father appa oda ammaava paternal grandfather. Okay, paternal grandfather. Okay, then father's sister, father sister we will call auntie. Yes, so paternal auntie like that. Next, mother's brother we will call maternal uncle. Have you understood children? So how do we call your relations? How do we call our relations? Okay, mother's side mother's mother we will call maternal grandmother. Father's mother we will call paternal grandfather. Next, father's sister we will call paternal auntie. Next, mother's brother we will call maternal uncle. Okay children, have you understood clear? Yes. Next we will recall about types of family. Okay, so there are three types of family. So see the picture children, there are three types of family. First one, small family. Okay, first one small family, next large family, and then third joint family. Okay, so first one small family, second large family, then third joint family. Okay, so there are three types of families there. Okay, okay children, have you understood? So see the picture children, you can see small family, there is only 3 or 4 members. Okay, father, mother and 1 or 2 children. 1 or 2 children. So that is called small family. Okay, then large family, you can see the picture children. So there is father, mother and also grandparent, children and grandparent. Okay, so that is large family or extended family. Small family also another one name, nuclear family. Small family otherwise nuclear family. Okay, next large family or extended family. Okay, then joint family, there is all the members joined together. Okay, grandma, grandpa, father, mother, brother, sister, uncle, auntie, like that all the members, family members are joined together and that is the joint family. Okay children, joint family, there is many members, we can see many members, 1 or 2 generation, 1 or 2 generation we can see, 2 or 3 generations we can see, 2 or 3 generations we can see in joint family. So joint family is the very big family. Joint family is the big family. Okay children, have you understood clearly? So there are 3 types of family. They are small family, joint family, large family. Small family, large family and joint family. Small family there is only 3 or 4 members. Okay, large family there is many members. Okay, then joint family there is more than 2 or 3 generation is there. Okay children, have you understood clearly? Have you understood? Yes, so this is the today topic. Okay children, so today you need to read the book. Okay, and also study everyday revision classwork. Okay children, then only you will get more mark. Okay children, so every day you should study. Okay, so now all of you take your social classwork notes, need to write our classwork, revision classwork. So have you taken social classwork note children? Have you taken? Yes. So write continuously. Before that you have to write today date and day. All of you write today date and day. Right children. And then start to write, fill in the blanks. Already in the previous class we have completed choose the correct answer. Yes? Yes or no children? So there are 8 choose the correct answer we have written already in the previous class. Yes? Yes or no children? So have you studied everything? Yes. So now write, fill in the blanks. First one, families. Families. Families together make a society. Families together make a society. Answer society. You have to fill the blank. Okay, underline society. Okay children, families together make a society. Families, families. Together, 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 make a society. Society, society. Okay, families together make a society. Okay, then second, leave one line and write second one. First letter should be capital and end must put full stop. Okay children. Okay, second one, people who related together. People who related together, our father, are called paternal relation. Paternal relations. People who related together, through people who related through our father's side, father, are called paternal relations. People who related through our father are called paternal relation. Underline paternal. Okay, have you written? People who related through our father are called paternal relations. Okay children, did you write? Have you underlined paternal? Yes. Then third one. There are three types of families. There are three types of families. 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 There are three types of families. Full stop. Okay. Underline 3. There are three types of families. Underline 3. Okay. Next, leave one line and write fourth one. We should sweep the floor. We should sweep the floor. Underline sweep. Finished children? We should sweep the floor. Underline sweep. Okay. Next, leave one line and write fifth one. Income is important for every family. Income is important for every family. Underline income. Income is important for every family. Underline income. Okay children, did you read? Did you write? Did you write children? Yes. So now all of you have to read. Okay. So listen all of you. First I will read. Next you will read. Okay children. So listen. Families together make a society. Say all of you. Say children. Say with me. Families together make a society. Okay. Then second, people who related through our father are called paternal relations. People who related through our father are called paternal relations. Okay. Then third one. There are three types of families. There are three types of families. Then fourth one. We should sweep the floor. We should sweep the floor. Income is important for every family. Income is important for every family. Okay children. So can you read all of you? Read all of you once. Families together make a society. People who related through our father are called paternal relation. There are three types of families. We should sweep the floor. Income is important for every family. Okay children. So have you written? Yes. So this is the class for today. So already I gave choose the correct answer, and today class work fill in the blanks. Okay children. So you have to study. Okay. This two you have to study. Okay. So today only there are 5 fill-ups. Yes children. So very easy only. You can study easily. Yes. So all of you have to study clearly. Okay. Everyday class work you should study everyday. Daily கொஞ்சம் கொஞ்சம் தான் கொடுக்கிறேன். So daily உள்ள class work daily படிச்சிடணும். படிச்சு எழுதி பார்த்துரு. Okay children. Okay. So now all of you take your homework note. Write the homework today. So have you taken children? Have you taken social homework note? So it is revision homework. Okay. Revision homework. Okay. So have to write today date and day. All of you first of all write today date and day, and then start to write lesson 1 family revision homework. Revision homework la ஓரளவுக்கு ஃபுல்லாக புக்கில் இருக்க ஃபுல்லாக வந்துடும். ஓகே. ஸோ ரிவிஷன் ஹோம்ஒர்க்கு அண்ட் ரிவிஷன் கிளாஸ் ஒர்க்கு ஓரளவுக்கு புக்கில் இருக்க எல்லாம் கவர் பண்ணிடலாம். ஓகே சில்ட்ரன். ஸோ ஹாவ் டு ஸ்டடி எவ்ரிடே class work and homework. Okay children. Revision class work and revision homework every day you should study. Okay. So have you written children? Put today date and day, then start to write lesson 1 family revision homework. That also you write. Okay. Revision homework. So find and write fill-ups. Find and write fill-ups. Book page number 117 to 119. Okay. There are 3 pages you have to read and write to find the answer. Okay children. So just we will recall about that. Okay. In first lesson we should recall about that. Okay, so that's why I gave the homework. Okay children, then only you can read the book. Okay, okay children, so you should read the book. Okay, you don't to ask any answer to your father or mother or like your elders. Okay children, you should read the book by one line. Okay, one by one you have to read and find the answer. Okay children, don't ask anything to your father or mother or brother. Okay, you should find the answer. Okay, so first one, Madhi went on a tour to dash. Madhi went on a tour to dash. So we know that, yes, already we have learned. So where? Yes, Madhi went on a tour to Nilgiri Jungle. Answer, Nilgiri Jungle. Okay, so you have to see the book and get the answer. Okay children, then second, leave one line and write second one. Madhi and Kabir are dash. Madhi and Kabir are dash. Have to read the book and write. Okay, next the third one, dash saw many birds and animals in the jungle. Who saw many birds and animals? Yeah, so that is the answer. Okay children, yes. Then the fourth one, lions live in dash. Lions live in dash. Then leave one line and fifth one, birds live in the dash. Birds live in the dash. Birds live in the dash. Okay children, did you write 5 fill-ups? So you have to read the book page number 117 to 119. Okay, from page number 117 to 119. Okay, you have to read the 3 pages. You have to read and write the correct answer. Okay children, so this is the today class, today homework. Okay, so today onwards the homework also you should study. Okay children, so have you written classwork and homework? Yes. After that, already in the previous class I gave project. Yes, family tree project I gave. Yes, so have you done that? Have you finished? Yes. So today you can do types of family, types of families. Okay, so see the page number 124. See page number 124. You can see the book. Okay children, you can see the book and collect the collect the pictures from other books. Okay, you can collect the pictures from other books. Okay, so you need to collect the pictures, small family, large family and joint family. So like that you can collect the pictures from the other book. Okay, you can collect and paste it. Okay children, so like family tree I said to buy the chart and cut into A4 sheet size. Yes, yes or no children? Did you say children? So ஒரு சார்ட் வாங்கிக்கோ, அதை A4 ஷீட் அளவில் கட் பண்ணிவிட்டு, ஏற்கனவே நான் ஒரு ப்ராஜெக்ட் கொடுத்துருக்குறேன், அதையும் பண்ணிவிட்டு இதையும் பண்ணியிருக்கேன். ஓகே, ஸோ டைப்ஸ் ஆஃப் ஃபேமிலிஸ் ஆல்சோ project only. Okay, so you can collect the pictures from other books. Okay, so last year book and the previous year's books also is there. Okay, so all the books there is the family pictures, small family, large family and joint family pictures all is there. Okay, so you can collect the pictures from other books and paste it. Okay children, so you can buy chart and cut into the A4 sheet size and then you use pencil, color sketch and scale, everything you have to use and write families, and then small family, large family, joint family, like that you have to write and paste the pictures. Okay, family pictures. Small family means only there is 3 or 4 members. Next, large family means there is father, mother and more than 2 children. More than 2 children. So that is large family. Next, joint family means there is many members. You can see 2 or 3 generation. You can see 2 or 3 generations we can see in big family. Okay, so it is the project, today project you have to do. Okay children, so whenever you go to the shop you can buy some charts. Okay, some charts and paste. Okay children, you can buy, because sometimes I will give project, you can do that. Okay, that is very useful for us, for you. Okay, so you can do. Okay children, okay ba, can you do? Yes. So our previous class topics we recall about families, then today topics relations and the types of families. Okay, then remaining topics we will recall our next day classes. Okay children, so have a nice day. All of you have to study the classwork and write the homework correctly and also do the project. Okay children, then we will see our next day classes. Have a nice day.